How to get $100 Amazon promo code. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. First and foremost, open a web browser on your PC or on your mobile device and search for couponfollow.com. In the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for Amazon. Tap on the Amazon of your designated region. In here, you will find various coupon code. You can also enter email address and tap on Get Alert to never miss out any coupon or offer. Tap on Show Coupon Code to any of the coupon, then tap on Copy. For instant use, tap on Redeem at Amazon. You will be redirected to the official homepage of Amazon. So to use your promo code now, sign up to your Amazon account. Then you have to go ahead and purchase an item off the Amazon webpage. So go ahead and select an item, check for the detail of the item, then select the quantity and go ahead and check out from your Amazon. When you are checking out, you should find an option of Apply a promo code. In the dialog box, just paste the promo code that you recently copied. Select a payment method, then go ahead and pay for the purchase that you made off the Amazon webpage. And just like that, you'll be able to redeem the code as well. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.